Hey guys, today we're making a super pretty pop-up flower card. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab 7 square papers. Mine are 7 centimeter by 7 centimeter. You can use any colors you like. Step 2. Fold 1 square diagonally 3 times to make a tiny triangle. 1, 2, 3. Step 3. Draw a petal shape, cut it out, and open it to reveal a cute flower. Now repeat this for all 7 squares. You can use this flower that we just cut as a template to trace the rest of the flowers so they all look uniform. Step 4. To give the flowers a pop-up effect, we will cut out 1 petal from each flower and glue the edges together. This makes them slightly 3D. Repeat these steps for all the flowers. Now fold the flowers as shown. Step 5. Now it's time to stick them together in a special way so they pop up perfectly when you open the card. Apply glue exactly how I am applying it, only on a single point, not on the entire petal. If you apply too much glue, the flowers won't open properly. Watch the video closely and follow along. Once you have glued all the flowers, do not open it yet. Let them dry completely. Meanwhile, take an A5 sheet of paper and fold it in half to make the card base. Once the flowers are dry, align them at the center of the fold in the card. Apply glue only on the 4th petal, the center petal, at a single point and not on the entire petal. Do this for both sides to ensure the pop-up effect works perfectly. Keep some weight on top, like a book, to help the glue set properly. And that's it, your pop-up flower card is ready. I hope this tutorial made everything super clear and you're able to create your own perfectly. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIYs.